love you both so much.
What should I put out here? If you're looking for an affordable way to remember who came to your party but you don't want to spend a lot of money, on this episode of Let's Craft, I'll show you an easy canvas board design that you can create in 10 minutes. To complete this project, you'll need a canvas, a wood cutout, and you'll also need your hot glue gun. First, you'll want to paint your wood cutout. Once it's dried, then you're ready to heat up your hot glue gun. Once your hot glue gun is heated, you can use it to attach that wood cutout to the canvas. For an added touch, you can include photo corners to complete your design. This is a quick and easy way to allow your guests to sign the board. What's yours say?
It says, I love you both so much. Thank you for being such great role models to CJ and I. Remember, hashtag, it's always us, never them. I love you.
And you can remember your party on a budget. On this episode of Let's Craft, I'm Shayla Reaves.